Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set automatic investment threshold in Lively HSA. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Lively account online. So once you are in your Lively account, you can simply go and navigate to investments. You can simply click on accounts tab and select investment summary under the investment sections. You can simply click the start investing button, enroll in auto investment, like choose to enroll in auto investment transfers and enter the desired dollar amount you want to transfer and then confirm. So you can review the details and submit to activate your automatic account, and you can also modify the existing auto investment by logging in and going to the investment settings. You can edit your plans, and you can simply expect investment versus cash policies and eligibility as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.